In the world of effective communication, mastering the art of speechwriting is key. Crafting a compelling speech demands attention to detail, understanding audience dynamics, and proficiency in language. Today, we embark on a journey to explore speechwriting's intricacies and its transformative power in delivering messages with clarity, persuasion, and impact. Did you know? Crafting a compelling speech involves outlining key points, incorporating engaging content, and delivering a clear message to captivate your audience. By the end of this lesson, learners will develop foundational skills in speechwriting, understanding its principles and techniques for crafting compelling and impactful speeches. Here are a few tips for crafting a compelling speech. Brainstorming and organizing ideas. Begin by brainstorming ideas related to your topic and organize them into main points for a logical flow. Creating engaging openings. Start with a captivating opening to grab the audience's attention, using anecdotes, quotes, or thought-provoking questions. Developing clear main points. Ensure each main point is concise, focused, and supported by evidence. Transitioning between sections. Use transitional phrases to guide the audience smoothly from one point to the next. Where to start? Here is your to-do list before drafting the speech. Define your purpose. Clarify the purpose of your speech: inform, persuade, entertain, or commemorate. Know your audience. Understand their interests, knowledge level, and expectations. Research thoroughly. Gather relevant information, statistics, and examples. Meet Sarah, a university student struggling to organize her thoughts for a presentation on climate change. By following a structured method of speech drafting, she outlines her ideas effectively and delivers a compelling speech at the conference. In conclusion, mastering the art of speechwriting is crucial for effective communication. By following these tips and methods, learners can craft compelling speeches that resonate with audiences and leave a lasting impact. Unlock the power of speechwriting and become a master communicator today.